Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add floating button in Elementor page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and we are going to add floating button. On left side you see search widget, so right here button, and then you see button widget, so drag and drop. Now you see button edit. On left side you see content, style, advanced, and then you see button type, text, and then you see link. So you can add text and link according to your requirement, and then you see size. Now go to style, and then you see typography, text shadow, color scheme, normal, hover. So you can do setting according to your requirement. Now you see advanced tab, so click on it. Scroll down, you see position. Now you see drop down, default, now select, and then you see fixed option, now select it, and then you see horizontal orientation, offset, vertical orientation, offset, and then you see Z index. Now you see horizontal orientation, left or right, right, and then you see vertical orientation, top, bottom, bottom. Now you see button. Now scroll up, scroll down, you see button, and then you see offset, and then you see offset for vertical orientation. Now you see position is move, so you can set offset position according to your requirement, and then you see Z index, so you can add value like 800 or 900, and then click on update. Now update done, go to page, now refresh the page. Now you see button, scroll down, you see floating button. Back to button setting. Now you see offset, so you can set position for horizontal orientation according to your requirement, and then click on update again. Now update done, go to page and refresh the page. Now you see button position, scroll up, scroll down. So in this way you can add floating button in Elementor page in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.